Welcome to the Docker course by Cloud Gurus. In today's lesson, I'll teach you how to download Docker Desktop for Windows. Let's get started. Go to your Docker Hub account. In the search bar, type Docker Desktop for Windows. Click on Docker CE tab. Click on Docker Desktop for Windows. Make sure you have Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise 64-bit. Then hit Get Docker. Now save. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click on the application to start the installation. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Click Close. Now we need to turn on two Windows features for Docker to work properly. For that, you need to go ahead and type Windows features in the Start menu search bar. Here, we need to check Containers and Hyper-V. Then press OK. Now, it will ask you to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So go ahead, restart your computer and come back to the video. Docker has been installed successfully. Summary. Go to your Docker Hub account. Type Docker Desktop for Windows in the Docker's Hub search engine. Step 3. Click on Docker CE tab. Step 4. Click on Docker Desktop for Windows. Step 5. Click on Get Docker button. Step 6. Hit Save. Once the application has been downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and start the installation process. Once you have installed the application, you need to turn on Containers and Hyper-V Windows feature for Docker to work properly. If you like this series, go ahead, continue to the next video, in which I'll teach you how to create machines through Docker. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.